Disclaimer, everything said here is for entertainment purposes only, and you should consult a tax professional for further questions. Potential COVID-era refunds. Due to the Kwong v. United States and Abdo v. Commissioner court cases, which are currently on appeals, you may be able to recover interest and penalties paid between January 20th, 2020 and July 10th, 2023. The law argued in Abdo v. Commissioner is IRC 7508 and the sections and subsections within it, which say that during a federally declared disaster, the Secretary shall cause to disregard any interest, penalty, additional amount, or additional tax. What this means is that during a federally declared disaster such as COVID-19, no penalties, additional tax, or interest are to be charged to the taxpayer. There's no guidance as to whether this applies to all tax or just income tax, but seeing as the law states tax, most professionals are taking it as all tax. This means it includes not only income tax, but also payroll and exercise taxes, partnerships and S-corps penalties, and international forms such as 5471. This then gets into whether you want to take a conservative or aggressive position with the refund request. There are penalties for professionals taking extremely aggressive positions, and it is IRC 6676, which is a 20% penalty on excessive refund claims, which means that the claims do not reach the reasonable standard, which can be found in 10.34. The process for requesting these refunds is to file a Form 843 for each tax year encompassing all claims you would like to make. These forms need to be sent to the IRS through certified mail by July 10th, 2026. You should also expect the IRS to either sit on these claims or deny them. It will take at least 6 months to get a response from the IRS. Then you have 2 years to file a lawsuit either in district court or federal court if they are denied. It's going to be an administrative denial, so there are ways to still request a refund, especially if the prior 2 court cases are won. If your claim is under $10,000, I would recommend having a company fill it out for you. I'll post an affiliate link below to a place that will pull the transcripts and prepare the forms for a fee. If your claim is above $10,000, you should probably look into having a tax professional help you if it is a complicated situation. What I would consider a complicated situation is any tax obligation owed before tax year 2019 and that ended after July 10th, 2023, because then you have to do the computation on how much interest is owed during certain time periods. The first step to see if you qualify is to pull your 2019 to 2022 transcripts from your IRS account and check them for the codes on screen, while also making sure you haven't already had the penalties and fees refunded. For tax year 2019 and 2022, the IRS automatically refunded penalties and fees for a lot of taxpayers, so it's not uncommon for those to not have to request a refund for. The main years you're going to want to look for are 2021 and 2022. These were the years where the IRS wasn't automatically refunding penalties and fees. This is all tentative, pending the rulings in the court and other factors. If you have any accounting or tax questions regarding these potential refunds or other topics, I'll post a link to schedule a meeting with me below. Have a good day.